Yes, Tesla is crashing again today. It is dropping nearly 9% right now. It finally hit our long-term target, this support level at 126, 127, which is October 2020 support level over here. It finally hit the support level. So what's next? I mean, today is quite easy to see Tesla dropping like this because today was a real bloodbath, right? But how far could it possibly drop from here? The trend is still bearish, so what are the next support levels on Tesla, and what if it reacts? What if Tesla finds a support level at the 126 area and bounces again? What are the targets? What are the reactions we should expect on it? Well, I will try to answer these questions in this video. Just welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. We're going to do our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla as usual, and I will share my thoughts on Tesla stock and my thoughts on Elon Musk as well, which is behaving in a quite weird way. First, in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, the main trend is clearly bearish. It is just doing lower highs, lower lows. We don't see this, right? We don't see higher highs, higher lows. We only see lower highs, lower lows below the 21 exponential moving average. Clear bear trend. In the daily chart, we see that it is just crashing it. Tesla hit our target at 126 area, but right now, guys, technically speaking, there's not a single meaningful bullish reaction on Tesla. As long as we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction, Tesla will just keep dropping. And I totally disagree with Elon Musk when he says that, oh, Tesla is just dropping because systemic issues, right? Because of inflation, because of Fed. This is not enough to justify a drop of 60% since September, since Tesla did this triple top chart pattern over here. It is dropping 60%. This is not normal. This is not natural. To me, Tesla is dropping because, as Ross Gerber said, has no working CEO. Elon Musk suffers from the Nobel Prize disease, in my humble opinion. He thinks he knows how to deal with a social media, which is clearly not the case. He's trying to find someone who knows how to deal with social media right now to become the new Twitter CEO. But honestly, no one knows how to deal with social media. Only Mark Zuckerberg knows how to actually make money using social media. No one else knows. So the guy has a serious problem right now. Elon is in a very problematic situation. And when I see Tesla investors complaining about this, I totally understand and I totally agree, but I find quite weird, quite unusual to see when Ross Gerber tweets about his unhappiness regarding Tesla price action, because as Gerber said, Tesla stock price now reflects the value of having no CEO. Great job, Tesla board of directors. Okay, shake up Tesla. And then Elon says, please tell us your great ideas, Ross. And he explains his ideas because he is a Tesla investor. He's a huge investor, by the way, and he firmly believes on the company. He firmly believes on Elon Musk. And then he says what he thinks Tesla should do. And Elon, go back and read your old Securities Analysis 101 textbook. How do you as an investor, how do you perceive this situation? I mean, let's just say that Nathan, I have my services, right? I offer my newsletters to you guys, which, by the way, check my website. The link is in the description of this video. I offer my portfolio. I offer daily analysis with many insights on many stocks, including SPY and Tesla and Apple, Microsoft. Recently, I shared thoughts on some out of radar stocks, and this is it. Okay, I share my services to you guys over here. You guys invest with me. All right, we are all together on the same boat. I have my portfolio, which I share my performance over here, which you can see right here on this link. And then out of nowhere, I stopped working on my portfolio. I simply abandoned my portfolio because right now I have a new gaming channel. I'm gonna play some video games here on my new channel, and I'm gonna focus on this gaming channel right now. And I stopped sharing my thoughts with you guys. I stopped rotating my portfolio. I stopped sending my daily insights to you guys on our Market Dive daily newsletter, and this is it. And then one of you guys, Nathan, I think you should work again on your newsletters because your portfolio is melting. It is not the case. We are doing insanely well so far. But let's say that, okay, your portfolio is just melting, Nathan. You should do something. You should work again, right? And then I tell you, dude, shut up, man. Subscribe to my new gaming channel. How would you perceive me as an individual? This is just crazy, right? This is just crazy. And the sentiment, it is reflecting Tesla's price. All right? This is not going to end as long as we see a new catalyst on Tesla, and we should see a very good new catalyst. Maybe the market will just get used with the idea of having a part-time CEO on Tesla and a part-time CEO on Twitter, etc. Maybe, right? Maybe that's not the case so far, but price action wise, there's not a single meaningful bullish reaction right now. If we analyze in the 1 hour chart, what do we see in the 1 hour chart? I'm so sorry, in the weekly chart. If we take a look at the weekly chart, Tesla broke this descending channel downwards, which is a very impressive feat. It is not that easy to do such an insane bearish pattern over here, to trigger such insane bearish pattern in such an insane way. And right now we are at a support level again. Great. What if we lose this support level? The next technical stop is 110. Okay, and this is it. This is as far as I can. This is as far as I know for now. All right, 110. It is the next technical support level. And in the lack of bullish reactions, honestly, this is how I see Tesla in the next couple of weeks, maybe in the next couple of months. But what if we see a reaction? Let's assume Tesla is going to react from here right now, which again, it is not the case. Tesla is not giving us any buy signal right now at this moment. But what if it does? Well, if Tesla does a buy signal, I see it bouncing to the 21 exponential moving average again. And this is it. Why? Because it is a bear trend. If it bounces again, and if we see any top sign near a resistance level, it will be just another sell sign on Tesla. Tesla is just a sell, okay? It is not a buy at all. It is just a sell at this moment. And as long as we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction, Nathan, what would you classify as a bullish reaction? A bullish candlestick pattern. For instance, if Tesla does tomorrow a piercing line candlestick pattern, a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, or maybe even a harami or an above the stomach candlestick pattern, any bullish pattern over here could justify at least a partial buy. Yes, in my humble opinion, this is how I see the situation. Why? Because if you buy Tesla over here, your stop loss will be very cheap, under the 125, 126 area, because if we lose the support level, we are going to head to the 110, okay? So your stop loss will be very cheap, and the potential upside is quite attractive to the EMA in relationship to the potential loss you would have. So if you work with a solid trading method, using a very tight stop loss, using a very good risk-reward ratio in your favor, with a clear stop loss, with a clear target, this is amazing. I can't argue, I can't disagree with you if you want to buy Tesla in this price level. But again, we gotta see a bullish reaction first, all right? If you don't have any trading methodology, subscribe to my newsletters, check out my services, check out my website, subscribe to this channel as well, click on the like button to support me, of course. If you're still watching this video, you probably liked the content so far, am I right? So Click on the like button, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Tesla every single day. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.